Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix PayPal can't send money. When PayPal refuses to send money, the problem is usually connected to account verification, payment method issues, security limitations, or account restrictions. Many users immediately assume the app is broken, but most of the time, PayPal intentionally blocks transfers because something in the account triggers a security or compliance check. The good news is that the issue is often fixable once you identify the exact cause. This usually does not mean your account is permanently banned. In many cases, PayPal simply needs identity verification, payment verification, security confirmation, and compliance review. One of the most common reasons payments fail is that no verified funding source is attached. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once inside the dashboard, you can check your payment methods and account status. Click Link a card. What this does, this connects a debit or credit card to your PayPal account, so PayPal has a valid funding source available for transactions. Now insert your card number, expiration date, CVV/security code, and billing information. Why this matters, without a verified funding method, PayPal may block outgoing transfers or payments. Another major reason PayPal won't send money is because the account has been limited or restricted. Click Help. The Help Center provides explanations for account restrictions, payment failures, security issues, verification requirements, and compliance policies. In the Help Center search bar, search for "Why is my PayPal account limited?" Then click on the relevant result. What you'll find there, PayPal explains common reasons accounts may lose sending privileges and provides steps to resolve them. Common reasons PayPal limits accounts: 1. Regulatory requirements, 2. Acceptable use policy violations, 3. Unauthorized use concerns, 4. Highest risk activity, and 5. Inactive account problems. What you should do if limited. PayPal usually provides instructions for resolving limitations. These may include uploading identification, confirming card ownership, verifying your address, reviewing suspicious activity, updating account information. What you just did, you verified your payment method, checked for account limitations, reviewed PayPal restriction causes, and identified possible security or compliance issues. You moved from guessing why payments fail to actually diagnosing the root cause. To summarize, fixing the PayPal can't send money issue begins by logging into your PayPal account and making sure a valid card is linked by selecting Link a Card and entering your card details. If the issue continues, you can open the Help Center and search for "Why is my PayPal account limited?" to identify possible account restrictions. PayPal may block outgoing payments because of regulatory requirements, acceptable use policy concerns, unauthorized use detection, high-risk activity, or inactive account verification issues. Reviewing the limitation details and completing any requested verification step usually helps restore account functionality. And that's how to fix the PayPal can't send money issue. Most of the time, the problem isn't random. It's usually tied to verification, security systems, or account compliance checks. The key is figuring out which specific restriction is triggering the block instead of repeatedly retrying the payment blindly. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.